Hey guys, thanks for coming back. I just picked up this free mower from Craigslist. The guy had an extensive long list of what he did to try to get this to run. He basically changed the diaphragm in the carburetor, the spark plug, which you can see is pretty shiny, and I think even the air filter, and pretty much gave up on it. Wasn't able to start it. Just having a look around, everything looks like it's there. There is a blade. I felt it when I picked it up. And I think this one's going to be an easy diagnosis, because when you come around here to the back to grab the handlebar, the brake bar, you go to pull it, it's very stiff. And if you can see all the way down here, the cable moves, but the lever doesn't move. So one of two things: the cable is either frozen or there's something else wrong down here. As a quick diagnosis, I'm going to go ahead and release the cable end, tie it off, and see if it runs. So release the spring, and you can see that the cable came back, and we're going to go ahead and give it a shot and see if this starts. And as you can see, that was the problem. The cable was purely just stuck and wouldn't allow the kill switch to turn off. You saw the smoke at the beginning, and I checked the oil before I turned the camera on, and there was way too much oil in the motor, but it wasn't going to keep it from running. Of course, you can also tell that because the amount of oil coming out of the exhaust. So I'll go ahead and drain the oil, get another cable, and that's it. She's a runner. Thanks again, guys. See you later.